Okay, where the hell's Grandpa? I'm kind of stuck. Where am I? How do I get over there?
Oh, I always gotta see this dude kill someone.
I knew I should have handled this
I have to
myself.
turn this shit on. I'm making them. And damn, they're right there.
Holy moly,
They're
dude.
already there. They're already out.
If Grandpa was able, this would be over by now. I better go feed him.
Where are they?
Oh, I see him. He's down here. He's running.
God damn it. I'm so big, dude. Humboldt's already there. Dude, this shit's crazy.
Oh, okay. I think I know what it means by securing the property. There's places and things we could like close.
She's right there. Woo! No mercy, son. Get over here.
Time to play.
Oh, this bitch is down here.
Yep, she's right here. God damn it. Ah, fuck. She's right there. She almost dead too. Wait. Shouldn't get excited. Close this. There we go.
She's down there.
I know she's down here.
How the hell did those kids find us? I should have been more careful.
Okay, where the hell's Grandpa?
I don't know. I'm trying to look.
He's upstairs. They probably already escaped, to be honest.
Well, I'm in the parking lot.
Yeah, some guy's upstairs. Or it could be one of y'all.
I'm outside.
Alright, I'm closing this shit.
Oh, I think I hear you, Puff.
Better. Oh,
You're close to me.
Stairs. I'm too big.
Now, where did you go?
Alright. Cool down. Whack. Dude, am I stuck down here? What the hell is this?
He said he's stuck. Come on now. I got so much blood.
Go ahead and hide. It ain't gonna matter.
Blood.
Oh, I see someone.
Where?
And the exterior.
Ooh. I saw the bitch.
I'm closing a lot of the doors.
You about to die, dude.
I'm kind of stuck. Where am I?
Oh man, don't tell me I lost this bitch already.
Oh, I see her. She's right here.
She's doing she's running around in circles.
Oh,
Johnny, get your head straight.
Man, they beat up
Come
Grandpa.
on now.
yeah, they did.
I gotta do. Can't get over there. Who are you? Oh, she's stuck. She has to get out.
How do I get over there?
I'll find you. Don't you worry about that.
Oh, where the fuck did she go?
She's still over here? Holy shit.
Nah.
Oh, fuck. You scared me, Vicky.
I'm killing this bitch.
The girl was chasing. She was up there. But then I lost. lost it.
Where'd y'all run?
Dude, she's not dead yet?
Grandpa's up there, Vicky. We gotta feed him blood.
Alright.
Come on, chick. Let this be done. Ho, ho, ho. Man, she runs fast as hell. Alright.
Where's she?
Get your fill, old man.
No one's feeding Grandpa?
Oh, she's about to die, dog.
I lost my way too.
Got her. Got him.
You killed her?
Yep. For the family?
I'm closing a lot of the vents.
I see one of them. Oh no, that's the fish actor. I don't see it.
Oh, I found one. Oh, he knocked me down.
Damn, he got beat up.
Jimmy, go back to where Grandpa is. That's where he's at.
Grandpa's
I gotta
at?
go upstairs.
I'm close.
She disconnected. Stop.
Where did he go?
Oh shit, there's someone here.
No, that's just you, Jimmy, but he's close.
Oh, I think I see him. Oh, no, that's you.
They keep beating up Grandpa, dude.
Oh, he's right here, Victor.
You don't try and leave them.
He's right there.
Woo! Found another one. Fresh meat.
Victor, he's right there.
Corner. I'm on the other side. Corner. You can't leave.
You can't leave?
No.
You telling me to just stay here?
I
It
never.
always tastes best
All
when
of them
it's
are down.
fresh, don't it?
Alright, hurry, go on this. Go on this side. Alright, he's downstairs.
Oh, he's downstairs? I'm downstairs.
He's underneath Grandpa.
Damn. What?
That's that guy right there, Victor. We gotta hunt him.
He's right here.
Huh?
I'm chasing him.
He's upstairs?
I'm really chasing him.
Is he upstairs though? Where is he? Dude. He's further downstairs. Where are you?
I was chasing him.
Oh, I see him. He's about to escape. He is about to escape.
Where is
I see him. I saw him. He's outside, but I think he's escaped. Real shit. Oh, y'all on the wrong way.
Where is he?
Victor had him, dude. He was right here.
Yeah, see, I told you. I told you. Man, I'll put in more work.
No? I was right there blocking the other way.
He went down too.
No, he didn't.
No, he
I had the
didn't.
ability to Leatherface. I could see everything. And I saw him. He was still up.
Well, we were at where Grandpa was at. He went down.
It didn't look like he went down because why would you say he went down? I used my ability and I saw him. He was upstairs still. He was running. He was like this.
Yeah, like what are you talking about? He didn't go now down.
I saw him go down. He went down the ladder. Where Grandpa was at.
I'm talking about after. I literally told you he was right there next to me. But I had to open his door. And you were, I don't know what you were doing.
All I know is I put in so much work. Back.
I didn't do shit, man.
I know you did.
Did not do anything. But I got a better score than Victor.
Yeah. There's dead. Anyone?
I don't know, what the hell did you do, dude? Did you guys even feed Grandpa?
I was downstairs and I killed 2 of them downstairs.
I fed him. I fed Grandpa, and then they just hit him. They fucking beat him. They beat that old man.
Yeah, they kept beating me. I never heard Grandpa scream at all.
Well, he kept beating him. We didn't even level him up.
Those lungs.
The search continues in Huerta County.
Dude, can I skip this, man? Can I see this shit again?
Yeah, like. But I want to see a different animation kill, you know?
Push.
I'm outside.
I am downstairs like always.
In the house.
Oh, you said to go check if the generator's on? I'm gonna go check right now.
Alright.
So would you want to live in this house, Alex?
Hell no.
You said live in that house.
No one was here.
The generator isn't there. So I think it's a different spot.
Where's Grandpa?
I don't know. I'm downstairs, dude. Asking the wrong guy.
Oh, you said you could jump from the window?
Oh, yep. They're a survivor, they can.
I'm trying to do that next time.
This guy's right here. Trying to knock me out, huh? What the hell? Why'd I stop?
I'm securing outside.
Oh, you knocked me out. Oh. That's not enough, homeboy. It's not enough, homeboy.
Holy shit.
Well, once we done.
Get the shit out of my face.
How'd I get in this house?
What is the house?
Ah, I knew you didn't go somewhere. Got him. That's what you get for knocking me out, boy. Get out of my face. You punch me in the face, get the chest full of chainsaw. Ooh, someone's going down. Who's that?
Me? I mean, like going down.
How do I go to in this house, dude? Do I gotta open the door?
There's someone here.
I'm about to open the door.
I don't know who the cook is, but your survivor went in here.
They're over there.
Nope, he's right here.
Grandpa taught me this little trick.
You got him, kid?
Nope.
You got him?
Nope.
You know, is he going that way or not? Follow this kid for no
What's
reason.
him? Oh. Somewhere over there. He's still over there.
I don't believe, I don't trust you no more, Victor. You think you fucking lost him when you...
No, I was using my. I think yeah, he left. Yep, he left. He's upstairs now.
You'll
That's
never
what I
see
get for
this.
following you.
Always works.
Whack.
That's for sure.
Yep, upstairs, the door's open.
He's outside.
Someone broke a window.
Bro, he's incapacitated for a bit. Hold on.
Wait,
I heard someone break a window.
Yep.
did you make him jump out the window, Alex?
Get me
Uh,
out, Grandpa.
let me
Get your
see.
fill.
Nope, he did not jump out the window.
Are you guys feeding Grandpa?
Someone fix the generator.
I think someone did. Where is that generator? I'm gonna turn it on so they don't leak through.
I couldn't find a generator.
Hold on, I'm about to turn this shit on just so they're not. It's not too easy for them to leave.
Victor,
Oh,
why don't
it's
you
on.
fucking close
It's
these
on.
doors, dude? Victor's leaving everything open.
I'm not leaving it open.
I just saw you.
What are you talking about? Who do you think I am? I just closed that door.
Yeah, the generator's on. They're not leaving anytime soon.
Are they outside?
Nope.
I left traps. Victor's outside. Are they downstairs?
I'm outside in that. Wait, I think I see someone.
Oh, I see him. I see one. They're right here.
Man, it's good to be pissed off about this.
Downstairs?
Yep, he's out there. I see him. He's going upstairs now. He's going outside. He's right here.
Well, I'd like to see him go outside. There's only one way out here. Got that side, Vic?
He gone. He went down the well. He went down the well. He's down the well. So he's back downstairs again. Damn, dude, I got a lot of blood from him.
Alright, I'm gonna feed that grandpa. I got some shit too.
Come on out, little piggy.
Oh, he's over here. He's in the same spot as always.
Now, I tell you.
What the hell?
Here you go, Grandpa.
Where's Grandpa?
Right here. Use your abilities.
Hey,
All the others
I think some of them are hiding.
Why is this dragging out?
go outside. One of the doors is open because Victor didn't close it. One of them's
The
outside.
generator. Well, the generator's on. They're not leaving through there.
More trouble.
I'm gonna check over here. Hey, I found someone.
Oh, I see one. Wait, is that Vicky? Oh, yep.
He's right here in the backyard.
Oh, I see him. I'm running.
Oh, look at that. And then she knocked me over the door.
Fight over here.
You can see him, right?
I got him. The same guy I hit.
He's hiding in the bush. Damn, dude, wake the hell up. Didn't hurt that bad.
Were you chasing someone?
Yep. Holy shit, I killed him. I guess he bled out.
Come on, kid. Come on, girl.
Get out or you'll get it worse.
You know there's someone here in the backyard, right?
Needs a little blood.
I'm about to feed Grandpa. He's about to level up.
You out of here, girl.
Is he in the backyard?
I got her.
You got her?
Successful execution. Finally. Oh, I'm not raging now. I'm happy. Celebrate. Well, it's random, Vicky.
Damn, we actually did something that time.
Y'all finally put in some work.
Yeah, I saw one of them jumped out the window for some reason. I thought you were chasing them.
Hey, I killed one. Yeah, I killed. I attacked this guy while going down the well. I found him 3 times, and I attacked him. You want to play as survivors now?